Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at question 6 of Paper 1 SPM Physics 2016. Let's take a look at the question together. Okay. Which situation shows the momentum is not conserved? Okay, so we're looking for something that has no conservation of momentum. So something that does not actually follow the principle of conservation of momentum. Alright, so the best way to do is to actually identify whether it's one of these three types of collisions. Now, so remember, collisions, there are three types. One is elastic collision. Okay, one is elastic collision. One is inelastic collision. And the third is explosion. So as long as the answers fulfill one of these types of collisions or explosions, then you can consider it as a collision or explosion that actually has its momentum conserved. Alright, so let's take a look at A. So in outer space, there's this rocket. So this one, you will consider it as an explosion. Okay, due to the fact that the rocket is propelling forward while the exhaust, okay, the fuel that's being burned is actually going backwards, so hence is an explosion reaction. Okay, how about B? Now this one, you may think this is an inelastic collision, but in fact it is not. Now the reason why is that the egg, when it reaches the ground, it breaks. Now, so the most important part here is that it breaks. It no longer retains the original form. Okay, so let's say if you have a plasticine and it reaches the floor, this is what you call an inelastic collision. Okay, so the plasticine, even though it changes shape, but it still maintains its overall volume or overall mass. But here, the egg actually breaks apart. So in this situation, we will not consider this as an inelastic collision. Okay, so remember the point, the key point for it to be considered an inelastic collision is that it must still maintain the mass and the overall volume. It can change shape, it is allowed to change shape, but it is not allowed to change its mass or change its volume. Okay, so for this egg, it breaks completely, it totally has destroyed its form. So B is actually the answer because it's not an elastic collision, it's not an inelastic collision, it's also not an explosion. So the answer should be B. And for C, this would be an elastic collision. And for D, this would also be an inelastic, it will also be an elastic collision. Alright, so the answer for this question would be B. Thank you for watching.